Hi, I'm Miriam, and when I first started keto, I wanted to change everything into what I was missing, and so I needed keto food swaps. So today we're going to talk about some not so common food swaps. So something that's really important that everybody uses is flour. One thing we use, almond flour. It's the one that matches flour most, I would say. Coconut flour is also a good option. We have that too. But one thing that people neglect to remember is pork rinds. You can put these into a food processor and mix them up really quick, or Pork and Good has this excellent one that's already done for you. You can tell because it's all gone, I use it all the time. You can use coconut flour and pork rinds together to make the coconut flour more moist because the pork rinds are a little greasy. But our favorite one, of course, is savory chicken soup, Keto Chow. It works really well. We have a yummy drop biscuit recipe. We have a bunch of bread recipes on our website that use this flavor. Pizza crust. Everybody and their dog uses fathead dough. And I use fathead dough too because fathead dough is amazing and it's delicious. But it's kind of nice to have different options. We have this really delicious recipe, a portobello mushroom pizza that I prepared here today. Look how yummy these are. So yummy. They smell yummy too. Also, chaffles. These I made last night with tomato basil keto chow. It's eggs, cheese, and keto chow. Put in a waffle maker. The nice thing about chaffles too is you can put them in the freezer and just pull them out just like this. And you can make the pizzas and pull them out already ready. So when you're rushing to things, you can have something delicious. Plus, you get to use these tiny cute pepperonis, and that makes my day happy. So there you go with that.